Today, we are exploring the exact blueprint to boost your wealth and create lasting financial independence by leveraging the massive AI boom. Here is the reality: the global economy is shifting. Traditional hourly side hustles are fading, replaced by high-efficiency, data-driven automation. What if I told you that you could build a sustainable income stream without spending hours chained to a desk? If you are looking for a highly realistic way to earn an extra $1,000 every single week, the answer isn't working harder. It is thinking deeper and working smarter. In this video, we are going to break down 5 incredibly powerful AI tools, unpack exactly how they work, and look at the real-time business models you can start using today to monetize them. Before we look at the software, let's understand the macro power of artificial intelligence. AI is not just a novelty, it is a leverage multiplier. It analyzes massive datasets in milliseconds, automates repetitive administrative tasks, and enhances human creativity at scale. In the old freelance economy, your income was strictly limited by your time. If a blog post took you 4 hours to write, you could only complete a few a day. But by using AI as your digital assistant, you streamline your workflow, compress days of work into minutes, and maximize your profit margins. The businesses paying for these services don't care how many hours you sat at a desk, they care about speed, accuracy, and results. Let's dive directly into the top 5 AI tools altering the financial landscape right now. The first tool on our radar is Jasper AI. Jasper is an enterprise-grade AI writing platform built specifically for marketers and content creators. Unlike standard chatbots, Jasper excels at generating long-form, highly targeted content while maintaining a specific brand voice. With Jasper, you can position yourself as a content agency. You can approach local businesses, like real estate agencies or accounting firms, and offer them a content package of 4 search engine-optimized blog posts per month. Using Jasper's SEO mode, you can plug in target keywords, and Jasper will structure a comprehensive, 1,500-word article in under 10 minutes. A single real estate firm will happily pay a $500 monthly retainer for high-quality articles that help them rank on Google. Secure just 2 of these clients, and you have hit your $1,000 weekly baseline. Our second tool is ChatGPT. While millions of people use it for basic questions, the real wealth is made by building custom, automated customer interactions for small businesses. This creates a massive freelance arbitrage opportunity for you. Using the custom GPT builder or API integration platforms like Make.com, you can build a specialized customer support chatbot for a local business. For instance, you can train a ChatGPT instance on a local dental clinic's specific pricing, hours, and booking links. You then sell this custom bot to the clinic as an automated 24/7 receptionist. You can charge an upfront setup fee of $300, plus a $100 monthly maintenance fee to ensure the bot remains updated. Landing just a handful of these businesses builds a completely hands-off, recurring monthly revenue stream. The third tool is Canva, specifically leveraging its advanced suite of AI features like Magic Design and Bulk Create. Graphic design used to require years of master-level training in complex software. Today, Canva's AI democratizes visual creation, allowing you to build stunning brand assets in seconds. The highest-paying market for this right now is social media content curation. Thousands of startup founders, coaches, and small brands need to post daily on Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok to stay relevant, but they lack the design skills or the time to create graphics. You can offer a social media kit on freelancing platforms like Fiverr. Use Canva's AI Bulk Create tool. Plug a CSV file filled with motivational quotes or industry tips into Canva, and its AI will instantly generate 50 uniform, beautifully branded social media posts in one click. You can sell a batch of 50 custom-designed graphics for $150. By spending just 30 minutes setting up the template, you can fulfill multiple client orders every day. Fourth on our list is DALL-E, advanced image and art generator from natural language descriptions. This tool generates unique, high-resolution commercial images directly from simple text descriptions. Instead of relying on generic stock photography websites where everyone uses the same pictures, brands are willing to pay a premium for bespoke, completely customized visual art. Consider the self-publishing book industry on Amazon KDP. Thousands of independent authors need eye-catching book covers to stand out. By mastering prompt engineering, you can generate a striking, custom book cover illustration based on an author's specific sci-fi or thriller synopsis. Take that raw AI image, drop it into a standard template font layout, and sell it as a premium book cover design on platforms like 99 Designs or Upwork for $200 to $400 per cover. Finally, we have Copy AI. This platform specializes purely in high-conversion marketing copy. In the business world, words equal money. A great advertising slogan or an engaging email newsletter can make a company millions, which is why professional copywriting is one of the highest-paying freelance niches in existence. You can target local Shopify or e-commerce stores that have an existing email list but aren't actively emailing their customers. Offer to write a 5-part automated email welcome sequence for their new subscribers. Copywriters easily charge $500 for a single high-quality email sequence, meaning you only need 2 clients a week to securely lock in your $1,000 goal. Now, how do you actually execute this strategy without getting overwhelmed? The biggest mistake people make is trying to master all 5 tools simultaneously. Instead, look at your current strengths. If you enjoy writing, pick Jasper or Copy AI. If you have a visual eye, lock in Canva or DALL-E. Once you select your single tool, build a mock portfolio showcasing 5 high-quality examples of what you can do. Use freelancing marketplaces to proactively pitch to entrepreneurs who are too busy running their businesses to use these tools themselves. Let's review the blueprint: Jasper for content, ChatGPT for custom automation, Canva for viral designs, DALL-E for commercial graphics, and Copy AI for high-conversion marketing. By utilizing these systems, you are using modern technology to scale your income and claim your time back. Are you ready to take action and start your journey toward financial leverage? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Think Deep PK for more useful videos. Thank you for listening.